Hey, now we are visiting the small waterfall at the park we used to come. Oh, that's a beauty. And yeah, we're hitting the same pool again in 3 days. But unfortunately, it's many clouds up there, so it's not warm enough. And we are just waiting the sun come up so that my daughter don't get cold. So, but anyway, the river is really, really beautiful, and the waterfall is really nice, but just noisy. So I don't know if you can hear me, but it's a nice day out. I hope you have a good day. Bye now.